This video will show you how to replace the front power window switch on a Ford Transit-250. This will be mounted to your front door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on the replacement of our window switch panel. Now for this, we're going to have to make our way deep inside this area. I want to try prying up on this without causing any damage, so I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver. Along this area there is one locking tab. I'm trying to press it towards the switch itself, and I should be able to carefully start prying this up. Now I do want to apply some light pressure while I continue on, so I'm using a plastic trim tool. This should just lift up and out of position. Now under this area we do have two electrical connectors. We can start disconnecting each of those next. For our electrical connectors, you're going to find that each of them will have a locking tab. So I'm squeezing in on the locking tab and I'm disconnecting that electrical connector from the switch itself. A quick inspection for corrosion. We'll continue on to the next. Locking tab on the opposite side. No corrosion. And there it is, friend. Before we install our window switch, let's make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. For this, I'm just using a clean rag. I don't like to use any type of parts cleaner. Just double check to make sure everything's in good usable order. Okay, let's prepare to install our window switch. We're starting with the electrical connectors along the rearward side. The larger connector will be for the larger port, so just go ahead and line it up, press it in. Audible click, and it's secure. Repeat the process for the next. Let's get this in position. I'm starting with the rearward side. I'm coming down at an angle and we'll press this down inside of our door panel. Now we will have to try to work this into position. It's typically going to be a pretty tight fit. Press it down, listen for an audible click all the way around and make sure it's properly secure. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our power window switch. Now the next thing you want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.